Hello beautiful people, thanks for coming again to my channel, Episodes and Tips channel. I want to thank you all for coming again. In this channel we do motivational talks, we do relationship and marriage tips, and we also do a little bit of a lifestyle, so you're highly welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, we thank you for coming again. If you are a new subscriber, thank you for subscribing. And if you're here, you've never subscribed, please do want to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video till the end. And if you like the video, please do not forget to click on the like button, leave your comments on the comment section, and I'll see you on my next video. So guys, going straight to our topic of today, it's directed to small YouTubers like me, those below me, and even those above me. Okay, so on this video we're going to talk to three different set of people. The first set of people are those just starting their YouTube channel, or those who are still thinking about whether they should create their own YouTube channel or not. So that's the first set of people. The second set is those people that actually have gotten their 1,000 bananas and are working towards their 4,000 public watch hour as a threshold requirements from YT. And the third set of people are those that just started or just got into the YouTube monetization program or partnership program like me. Okay, so those are the three set of people we're going to talk today. So we're going to dive immediately to the first set. But before I dive into the first set, I want to tell you or want to ask you to not forget to write your comments or write what you think actually one of these sets should do, or write some words of encouragement to any of the sets that you actually think the advice you got for them. So thank you so much. I'll dive immediately to the first set. That is those still thinking to create their YouTube channel and those that have actually created or they just started their YouTube channel. I want to talk to you. I know where you're at this level. You ask yourself a lot of questions. When am I going to get there? Like, when am I going to reach there? When you look at people and you ask yourself so many questions, it's like the people are up and you're down. And you're like, when am I going to get there? How soon will I even reach this 1,000 bananas, get this 4,000 public watch hours, and actually go into the YouTube partnership program? When? Yes, we all ask ourselves these questions when we start our own YT channel or YouTube channel. We all ask ourselves these questions, and I want to tell you that you can actually make it. You can do it. Yes, it's a matter of consistency. It's a matter of knowing yourself. It's a matter of trusting who you are. You need to know who you are. You need to know what you want. You need to set your goals right. Do not just barge into the street because you heard people are barging into the street and you think you too, you need to barge into the street. No, you, before coming, you need to prepare yourself ahead of time. Search your niche. Don't just go in and today you're talking on relationship, tomorrow you're talking on reaction videos, tomorrow you're on news, tomorrow you are on comparing stuff, reviews. You don't even have a particular niche. So before getting into the YT street or before creating your own channel, you actually have to have known your niche from the onset. What am I good at? Or this YouTube channel, what is it going to be all about? Like, if people come to my about, what will they read? What piece of information am I going to leave there for them, that when they read my about, they're going to know that my channel is all about this? What is it? What is that thing that I will be doing and I won't get stuck at the middle of the road? What is it? So you have to think about your niche. Even if you have started already, it's not too late. Sit back and think about your niche. It's better late than never. So you have to know your niche, actually what you're good at. You have to be consistent with your uploads. You have to be genuine and real, and you're going to make it sooner than you expect. So we're going to go straight to the second set of people. But before we get there, please do want to comment anything you have for the first set of people. So the second set of people are those that have actually gotten their 1,000 bananas and are working towards their 4,000 watch hours. Yes, It's very important we know. Some even go extra miles to stay awake, sleepless nights. I know it's stressful. There's some people that have been on the street for months, and you see someone just coming yesterday and crossing that bridge before you. Look at my dear. Look at these 5 fingers. They are not the same. Yes, they are in one hand, but they are not the same. We all have our destinies. We all have our fates. We all have our way of life. We all have our pace at which we can walk. It's always good to walk to your optimum and not to your limits. It's not because A worked and reached at this level within this period of time that you have to walk at the same rate or within this same period of time, because you all have your limits and you all have your optimum strength or optimum efforts you can actually do or carry out. It's advisable to walk to your optimum because you can come back the next day, because you can be motivated the next day. You can struggle and come back. When you walk to your limit, you are stretching that limit the next day. If at all you come again, you are stretching that limit, and at one point in time you will lose your elasticity, you will lose your goal, you will lose the reason why you actually started this channel at the first place. So you have to walk according to your pace. Do not like compare. Don't be envious. You don't know what these people that came before you or crossed that bridge before you, you don't know the stress they went through. You don't know what they did. You don't know their shortcuts. You don't know the commitment they took. You don't know the engagement. You don't live with them at home. You don't know anything, practically anything about them. All you know is that you meet on the Whitey Street, you greet one another, and you saw that that person crossed the bridge before you. So do not be envious. Just struggle to walk to your optimum. Create the necessary friends you can create. I repeat, necessary. Those who will help you walk through the right path, not those who will set you back. Not those who will hurt you. Not those who will actually ask you to join their gang or their clan in actually destroying another. Do not step on anyone's toe to make it, because it will not last. That success will practically not last. So guys, if you're there and you've listened to the second set, if you have any advice to give them, please do not forget to write it down on the comment section so they will read. The third set of people are those that just got monetized, be it last week, last 2 weeks, last 3 weeks, and a month ago. It's you too. Yes, that I'm talking to. I'm talking to myself, I'm talking to you, I'm talking to all those who have less than 6 months in this game of monetization, or less than 6 months as partners with Whitey. I know when you started your channel, there were a lot of expectations you were expecting. There were a lot of things, when you weigh the stress you go through during these 1,000 bananas and 4,000 public watch hours, and you see certain things that happen on the street, you ask yourself, oh God, it means if I should cross that bridge, there is some sort of miracle waiting for you there, or there are some sort of millions waiting for you there. And when you cross the bridge, you meet the real face of Whitey. Yes, you meet the real face of Whitey. This also goes to those working on their watch hours that will not let the other breathe because of this, because of that. Will not want to see the fellow content creator grow because he wants to get there before the other. My sister, my brother, if you are that person that you're struggling to pull your fellow content creator down because you don't want that person to cross the bridge before you, when you cross that bridge, you will regret all your actions, you will regret all your deeds. You will see that, yes, I've gotten there, but was it worth my fellow content creators' happiness? Was it worth my fellow content creator stress? Yes. So this third set of people, I want to tell you to not relent, because whatsoever you're doing now, whatsoever effort you're doing now, whatsoever work you're doing now, whatsoever content you're creating today, whatsoever stress you're undergoing now, yes, the reward is in the future. The reward will be in some years to come. You see, when we look at this big YouTube YouTubers, these big content creators, you see them, they have millions of views, they have millions of subscribers, they have millions of people that watch their channel. You imagine their income, you imagine their revenue. Yes, they are hitting it hard, they are getting it huge, but they started from where you and me are right now. They started from this same position. They did not relent. They hit hard. They kept on hitting until they got where they are today. So I'm telling you, my brother, I'm telling you, my sister, I'm telling you, all my fellow small YouTubers, that do not relent no matter the stage where you are. Working on your bananas, working your public watch hours, or you just got monetized and you're working towards your revenue. I want to tell you to not relent. We all have a goal to achieve, and we will get there surely if we are consistent. If we keep on creating real attractive content. If you keep on working on all the little things you have to work on, be it your thumbnail, be it your video quality, be it your content, no matter what, all the things you're advised to work on, your tags, what have you? If you keep on working on them consistently, you will get there. I have come to put white tea in my head like a natural remedy, right? You know, when you take natural remedies, it goes slowly, but it works. It's slowly, but it works. So any move that you're doing today that you think is not fruitful, any move that you're doing today and you think it's not, the result is not worth your stress, worth your time, I tell you today that do not relent, because it's like a natural remedy. It works with time. And it's with time you will see the progress. It's with time you will see the success. It's with time you will have the reward for all what you're doing today. So do not relent. So guys, this is going to wrap up my video. Please do not forget to leave your comments on the comment section. And please, if you have any advice for whosoever, and if you have any way you can help one another, please do want to help without expecting for any thank you in return, because our reward is in the future and not now. So guys, please, if you're still here and you've not subscribed, please do want to subscribe. Click that like button and click on the notification bell, so whenever we upload a video, you will be notified. And you're welcome to the Apple Season Tips family, and I'll see you on my next video. As of now, I'm out. Ciao.